Yeah, today I got my Arrma Outcast EXB. I had to do some repairs. The pivot ball bent and had the wheels all turned sideways. I don't get that, how the pivot ball bends. That little ball, I don't see how that would bend, but it did. So I replaced it. It's the front one, front left. I replaced it because it had it towed in and couldn't turn right. So I had to replace that. It's the only repairs I had to do to it so far. But what I'm going to do, about to take her out and check out my repairs to see that I get it right. Just a quick little bash on it. Let's get into it. All right, got her out now. See how she gonna handle. The wheels still seem a little towed in. See that? I just gotta adjust the camber. I gotta adjust the adjust it to get that right. Seem a little slow. Let me calibrate it real quick. Be right back. I calibrated it. See how this handles now. Let's see. Oh yeah. I wish it was some, oh, here we go. I didn't see that. Oh, that ain't nothing. Oh, look at that. This thing is a monster, y'all. Tire? What was that? Thing almost hit me. This, I'm up Simons. I never came up here before, but it's got a lot of open. that hanging off the back? Is that somebody's goddamn wig? Ah, come on. Yeah, I definitely fixed that problem. She is nice and straight. Got a few cars I want to run out here. Got the Losi out here, Super Baja Ray 2.0, and the Mojave. Well, I fixed the problem. It's riding fantastic, as always. Hit that likes button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out. See you on the next one.